Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy mini video edition. Another JetBlue, that's the one going to Tampa. Ah, there we go. Pushback on Frontier. There we go. That Frontier is going to Puerto Rico, specifically San Juan's Luis Munoz. I forgot how you say that name. That's a mouthful. But that's going to Puerto Rico. And then we got United Airlines 2394 coming from Edward Lawrence Logan International Airport. And Republic Airways 3647 heading towards Rochester. And if I'm correct, I think that's the Frederick Douglass International Airport. I could be wrong. I don't mind being corrected in the chat, so if you find out what airport that's named after, kudos and thank you. To the 7 people that subscribe to me, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you. We're focused on the Frontier Airlines. You're gonna feel some shaking for a little bit. I do want to get my portable charger, since the section I'm sitting at does not have a charger port, so I do apologize. go. My apologies about that. Friendly reminder, if you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation. Oh, and please take the time to share this live stream with your friends, your family, your co-workers, your colleagues, your associates, acquaintances. Let's get this video viral. Let's get the stream viral. I'm almost at 32,000 subscribers, so if you could get like another 50 plus today, that would be very appreciative. And speaking of 50, we're 3 likes away from 50 likes, so let's keep getting these likes going. And for those watching, I do apologize about the shakiness. As I mentioned earlier, the table that I'm at has a wobbly leg. If this was the best table for the best spot, so bear with me patiently. That is GoJet Airlines number 4172. That is going to Ronald Reagan National Airport, which is where my hotel is going to be. Well, more or less close to, but you get the point. That's where I'm going to be on January 8th, which is my birthday. So I'm hoping that I will have the necessary funds to keep it all going. I'm hoping to hit at least. I'm close to my goal. I'm very close to my goal. I'm at $286. So if we could get $114 somehow, that'd be a miracle. And there goes Frontier. Frontier is on the move. And to those tuning in, we do have a goal. If we get $5 super chats within 2 hours, I will film at this particular spot more often because you guys are pretty much tuning in. 47 likes is not mediocre, to me at least, because I don't genuinely get this many likes in a live stream. This is my 3rd straight live stream where I get 40 plus likes. So I am appreciative of it. I'm very appreciative of it. And I'm not gonna, what's the word I'm looking for? Take it for granted. There we go. You would have thought that it would have been more busy today, but it's not. Airport's rather slow this morning. Well, it's still morning. Maybe everything will be busier this afternoon. Who knows? It is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, so I'm guessing a lot of people will be getting ready to head back home, work, etc. We're about to see a takeoff with United Airlines 1409. That is a MAX 8 going to Orlando. The Mickey Mouse plane. Speaking of United, 2345 just came in from Denver International Airport. That is a Boeing B737-9, 24 ER. And there goes 1409 right now. Can y'all hear the ATC with no problem? Can y'all hear the ATC? Here it comes, Frontier Airlines. Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.